What is Speak? Speak is a glass, a different kind of glass. There's nothing flat about it. We could say it's a glass that rocks. It stands out. It's a 1 in a million. It's great for soft drinks and water. It's perfect for whiskey, vodka and gin. It's outstanding for ice-cool cocktails or hot coffee. Why Speak? It looks good, and it helps you to look good. It creates the right mood. You could say it even tastes good. We have to sell 7,162 Speak glasses to create an opportunity for one young socially disadvantaged individual. 7,162 Speak glasses for a new life and education within the S Academy. Speak up and help us educate more underprivileged youngsters.